Hello, dear viewers. Today we will talk about Smartproxy, one of the leading proxy server providers in the market. If you are looking for reliable and high-quality proxies for your online tasks, this video is for you. On the homepage, Smartproxy greets us with a modern and intuitive interface. The site offers a wide selection of proxies, including residential and data center proxies, allowing you to choose exactly what you need. One of the main advantages of Smartproxy is their extensive network. They have over 40 million IP addresses from different countries, which allows you to bypass geographical restrictions and access content from anywhere in the world. Additionally, all proxies provide high-speed and stable connections, which is critical for working with large volumes of data. Now let's talk about prices. Smartproxy offers flexible pricing plans that are suitable for both individual users and businesses. You can choose a plan based on traffic volume or the number of connections, allowing you to optimize your expenses. Residential proxies cost from $1.80 per gigabyte. Description: over 55 million real IP addresses from 195 plus locations, providing high anonymity and stability. Static residential ISP proxies cost from $0.35 per IP. Description: IP addresses from internet service providers, combining the reliability of data center proxies with the authenticity of residential ones. Mobile proxies cost from $4.50 per gigabyte. Description: over 10 million mobile IP addresses from 160 plus locations, ideal for tasks requiring high mobile anonymity. Data center proxies cost from $0.062 per IP. Description: over 500,000 IP addresses from data centers, providing high-speed and stable connections. Security is another important aspect. Smartproxy ensures a high level of anonymity, allowing you to remain unnoticed online. This is especially important for those engaged in scraping or other activities that require confidentiality. Let's not forget about customer support. Smartproxy offers 24/7 support via chat and email, as well as an extensive knowledge base with answers to frequently asked questions. This is very convenient if you have any questions or issues. In conclusion, Smartproxy is an excellent choice for those looking for quality and reliable proxy servers. With a user-friendly interface, a wide selection, and great support, this site definitely deserves your attention.